guys, I'm the sussy imposter from actual Among Us. No cap, on God. Alright, that was a joke. God, please don't ban me.
Okay, so
God,
we're
please
gonna
don't ban me.
I'm gonna record with my friend. Where are you?
Already in
Nicholas
horror.
B-Tag, where are you?
I'm waiting for you.
Oh, okay. So yeah, today we're gonna be talking about horror. We're gonna go through horror. We're gonna show you the ways to.
Oh, I'm back to normal.
Like,
we're gonna show you the way.
Finish level 1.
I'm gonna go do horror, guys. Who's gonna do horror?
Oh, good.
Where's the normal map?
You made me get stuck. Also, you don't even know how to beat horror. I'm running with one hand, so you guys can actually see.
The ugly ass monkey. The ugly ass monkey.
Wait, we can see way better. We can actually see the way to go. Wait, did you get the knife yet?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Don't look behind you. Don't look behind you.
He's a bozo. We can't even see him.
I'm gonna make it.
You guys, look. You can't even see him yet. Look behind me. You can't even see him. Where is he? He's such a bozo. I mean, I'll see him in my camera. I got stuck. There he is. There he is. You may think I'm joking. Like, where is he? Well, you can't actually see him right now because he's back there, but I can hear him breaking stuff. But you guys should also be able to hear him breaking stuff. God!
Oh no! I feel.
Bozo, imagine falling.
Oh my God!
This is the end. This is the end. All right, just push the button. You're good. Press the button. You're good. Let's go.
This is my first time completing it.
All right. So for this one, there's no monsters. All right.
Wait, there's a level 3?
Yeah, I don't know if there's level 4 yet.
I fell? Hello.
All right.
Oh. Where are you?
I'm going through the maze looking for the numbers for the password. All right, so for number 4, it's red, 2 blue.
Oh my God, it's huge.
And
So
wait,
fast.
2 blue.
4 red.
My game just like froze.
Way to get to the password.
Yeah, 3 yellow. 3 yellow.
All right, we know the passcode.
I did. Just don't.
Wait. 4 red. So
Oh God, he's right there.
green,
He's right there. He's right there.
yellow, blue.
Wait, what do I do? What do I do?
Wait, green, yellow, blue, red. Green, blue, yellow, red.
Go.
Wait, what's the code? What's the code again?
Green, blue, yellow, red.
Green, blue,
Yellow, red.
yellow, over here, red.
And level 4 is coming soon, so now we're gonna have to get out the map and die.
Yes, sir.
My game got glitched. Yes, sir.
Wait, no. Oh, no, I'm out. Yes, I didn't glitch out. I'm in the map. Wait, but I still have horror. I still have the light. Hold on. Technical difficulty. Technical difficulties. Okay, there. I don't have the light no more.
Okay.
Jesus, be horror.
Okay, look, just follow me. I know exactly where to go.
Okay,
Just
I
follow me.
couldn't fall off the fall. I couldn't fall.
Yeah, watch out.
When the imposter is sus.
Green, blue, yellow, red.
So like.
Oh, I got a freaking green, blue,
The sussy imposter.
red.
I hate that music.
By the way, guys.
When the imposter is sus.
Green, blue.
Bum 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 bum. Bum bum bum.
Hit down on that.
Bum bum. Sorry, I just broke my arm. Don't worry about it.
And sometimes it'll just
Bum
it'll teleport you out.
bum 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 bum.
Oh,
Bum bum
I came
bum.
back. What the hell? Okay, I can't
Green, blue,
yellow, red.
Yeah, you can look.
Oh, I teleported.
You have to do this
Ooh, I
with
fell off the
Oh
map.
no, I'm back to normal.
Yeah, sometimes.
Buddy,
I didn't fall off the map. I didn't fall off the map.
we survived.
I didn't, bro. I actually didn't fall off the map.
We actually beat it. Bro, my bananas. I can almost
did
buy the
fix it.
katana. Yeah,
Alright, guys.
They
That's
fixed
the
it
end from
today.
the video.
bro, I
Hope
can
you
almost.
like
I
that
did it like 2
video.
seconds ago.
Sucks.
Yeah, that's the end.
I know.
Bye.